Hi everyone, welcome to Gym Coding Studio. Today we will learn how to remove green screen from a video in Camtasia software. To do so, first of all you need to open your Camtasia software. Create a new project and then go to File and import your green screen video. File, Import, Media, and from here import your green screen video and drag it and drop it into the timeline. From here go to the visual effects and drag and drop remove a color and apply it to your green screen, and after that and select the color that you want to remove. After selected, and if you want to apply this green screen to another video, go to the file, import media, and import your file or media, and after that drag and drop your video to the timeline. And finally check it out, everything is okay. Yeah, everything is working fine. If you want, you can trim the length of the green screen to adjust with your video, and after that if you want to save it to your local file, you go to share local files, or else you can go to YouTube and you can directly upload this video to your YouTube channel. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell notification icon, so every time I upload a new video you get a notification.